Hey guys, I am coming today to do a Nubian knot twist out. I haven't done one of these in a long time, and I slept on it last night, and as you can see they're pretty floppy. They're not tight, so I'm not exactly sure how they're going to come out, but I'm going to try taking this out and see what we're working with today. So I just got through doing house chores on Saturday morning, so I'm quite exhausted. Let's just see how this comes out. It is crinkly, and I used the hair milk, TGIN hair milk last night, and along with the TGIN gel, the moisture bomb gel. I do like their products, but it's just, I notice when you apply any of their products, it's pretty, except for the gel, it's sticky because I think because of the honey, and I don't like that stickiness, and it does layer. You can only use their products like only so much. You can't use it the whole week, because by the end of the week your hair would just be like glue. It would be real sticky. So that's the only thing I don't like, is that it has a lot of residue that builds up, and you probably have to clarify your hair. I don't have a clarifying shampoo. That's something I probably need to get, but the reason why I don't have a clarifying shampoo is because I usually use apple cider vinegar. So I use that to purge out all the residue. It works just as well as a clarifying shampoo. I did dust some of my ends last night. I cut this side and I dusted the back. So I didn't cut too much off. I just really snipped the tail ends of my hair because they were raggedy, and I don't like to leave them on. I like to cut them as soon as I see them getting a little wretched. Okay, so I don't think I'm going to do much to it once I take it out. I may just use some bobby pins to kind of shape it. I haven't done this. I used to always wear my hair like this when my hair was a TWA. It looks so much different now that it's longer. But it does hold for a cute style. I think I have one more here. One more in the back. Okay, this is it. So I can fluff it up a little bit because I don't like flat hair. I like puffy, big hair. But this is how it looks. A Nubian knot twist out, or African knot, whichever you want to call it. And the back. I'll turn to the other side. This is a Nubian Twistout. I hope you enjoyed the video. This, I do like the way it came out. It finally did curl. I didn't use any coconut oil, so take note of that. It curled without using any coconut oil, so I think that is the key. If you haven't watched my videos, I had mentioned that in some of my previous videos. Coconut oil is great for sealing and moisturizing, and it helps prevent breakage, but it's not good for styling your hair, because I do notice it does not hold the style that you're doing. So that's just a mental note, and that's just something that I mean, it doesn't work in my hair, let's just put it that way. It may work in your hair, but from what I experience, it doesn't work in my hair, coconut oil. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that, because I do love my coconut oil and it has helped my hair grow. So I may just do that as a pre-poo. I may use that with my neem oil and use that as a pre-poo with my castor oil. Those three oils together would work well to pre-poo my hair, because those are heavy oils and I don't like those to sit in my hair. So the coconut oil would be something that I can use in addition, that will be washed out. And I think I'm learning a lot from this natural hair journey. So I hope you are too.
Yeah.